Hello everyone, I'm Tony Chen. Welcome to this number 37th minor trick on class 3, only complex construction of the big grammar trick number 12 on catenative structure. So, number 37th. So, number 37th till number 48th, there are about 12 minor tricks covering class 3 catenative verbs. So this is what we have learned. So let's get started since there are 5 pages. So 3 only complex, 3a infinite typo, 3ai takes ordinary object. So Verna, of her own volition, Verna took me and ordered me. I go to sleep. So that's ordinary object. And there are all of this, a lot of them, similar verbs. And raised object. 3a-1, raised object. Let's check object. Verna assumed object. There is a mistake. So this one is closely related with this. In fact, it's the subject of this. And there's not much relation between them. So this is a raising verb. It can raise the object to become the subject of the verb inside the catenative complement. So there are all of these similar verbs. That's 2a-1. And then 2a-2, okay. Also raised object. So I give. These two are closely related. And there are 3 kinds of verbs regarding permission, ordering, and causation. So permission, causation, 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 ordering, permission. And 3 oblique complex. Let's check. Oblique object. And between the verb and the object, oblique object, there is a particle, a very small position. And this is the catenative complement. And this is the subject for the catenative complement. But sometimes it's this one. It depends on the head verb. The head of the clause determines the subject or the object is actually the subject for this one, or depending on the head of the clause. So these are all of the possible verbs. And 3b takes to infinitive, gerund participle, or past participle. Okay, 3b single line, no matrix pacification. Okay, got them to talk, got them talking. Yep, got a car repaired. PP. Okay, 3b double I. Let's check. Just check this, okay, to save time. Matrix passive allowed. So for GP. Okay. So that's complex for GP. Matrix passive, okay. Yeah, this is matrix passive. Tony was hurt. And for matrix passive, to infinitive is the typical one after the verb. 3C, GP only. Let's check. Genitive possible. Let's check why. They prevented waving to Verna. Genitive possible. And it's 3. So there must be a genitive. So us or our. And of course, genitive is the major usage. Are waving to Verna. They prevented our waving to Verna. We must use this genitive, a gerund taking its own subject. So why possible? Sorry. We must use oblique complex. Let's check. As opposed to you're going there alone. Yeah, 3. Complex. Oblique. Yeah. Opposed to. Yeah, between this word, genitive or accusative, there is a particle. So, oblique complex, you must use your or you in this case. 2, general participle. So, this 2 is a preposition or infinitival. Let's check. Opposes, we firmly oppose ourselves to. Yeah, gerund. So this 2 is a preposition. And the gerund can take its own subject. In this case, genitive is the major usage. Accusative, minor usage. And that's a T. That conjunct clause. And for this one, okay, catenative, complement verb, complex, a pure object, a pure infinitive. So, infinitival, complex, infinitival for this one. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.